Hello scholars. In today's session, we will continue some of the activity given in the English workshop of the chapter Revti's musical plant. Now, we are going to consider the activity which is based on the grammar part, that is negative and affirmative. Okay, how to write negative and affirmative sentence with the help of negative words are given there and some other words are given there with in order to form the positive or affirmative sentence. Look at now, first five activities we have already seen in last couple of videos, so remain 6, 7th and 8th. These activity we will also complete there, understand? So look at now, today we will see how to make negative sentence by using given negative words are there. Now the negative words are already given here just after the each sentence. Here you can see. Okay, so look at now, the first sentence is given there. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. Now this particular sentence is affirmative. We have to make it negative without changing its meaning. So how we can convert it into negative? We can say now the affirmative sentence can be changed into negative by using these negative word. So look at now, here you can see there were few potted plants in the courtyard. It means in the courtyard there are plants are there but their number is not many. Yes, so we can write, instead of a few we can write not many, right? So if we replace a few with this word not many, then the sentence would like there are not many potted plants in the courtyard. It means a few and not many conveys the same meaning, but what happened, the given sentence is affirmative which is conveying the positive meaning, but when we are using not many, this will convey the same kind of a meaning is there, but it becomes automatically negative word as we are replacing a few by this word that is not many. Understood? Now let's see second one. They looked healthier than the other plants. They look healthier than the other plants. So look at now, they looked healthier than other plants. Okay, so what we have to use there, not as healthy as, right? So you have to use now, by using these negative words you have to, what you have to do is that you have to make the negative sentences there. I have already shown you how to make the use of the negative which is given in the bracket, and with the help of this word which is given in the bracket you can make negative sentence. So in the same fashion you have to make the negative sentence, you have to convert them into negative by using the words which are given in the bracket. Okay, try it and try to convert the given positive sentence, affirmative sentence, into negative. It's not too difficult because half answer is already given to you in the bracket. Okay, now we will turn toward the seventh activity. Make the following affirmative using the word given. Okay, now here affirmative sentences were given there, we learn how to convert them into negative. Now here the negative sentences are given there, so you can identify how they are negative. No, did not, nothing, right? No, did not. So these words are all negative words are there, they convey the negative meaning, therefore they are negative, we have to convert them into affirmative. Okay, so same method we have to adopt that we have used while attempting this 7 number question, this 7 number question. Okay, sorry, 6 number question. Now 7 number we have to attempt there. Okay, there was no breeze. In this sentence, no, this word is conveying the negative meaning. As it is conveying negative meanings, we have to convert this sentence into affirmative. So how we can convert it into affirmative? Instead of no, we have to use the word which is given in the bracket, that is hardly. So how, there was no breeze means there was hardly breeze, right? You can use there was hardly any breeze, you can write there, right? Or hardly breeze was there, understand? It means no breeze, understand? In the similar fashion you have to attempt the question based on the same activity of converting negative sentence into affirmative. Okay, so here the second is given there. What the second sentence is here? Their ridicule did not deter her. Their ridicule did not deter her. Did not, this word shows this is negative sentence is there, but we have to convert it into affirmative sentence. As we have to convert it into affirmative sentence, we will use the words which are given in the bracket. So how the sentence would be there? Instead of did not, we have to use failed. Instead of did not, what we have to use? We have to write down failed to, right? Instead of did not, we have to, the sentence would like we would be like their ridicule failed to deter her. Their ridicule, instead of this did not, you have to write failed to deter her. In this way, even though the negative sentence is there, but we can convert it into affirmative sentence by using the word which is given in the bracket. In this way you have to write there. Now we will talk about remaining examples definitely from this seventh activity you have to complete. Now we will talk about we will turn about or we will turn towards actually the eighth is there. Here it's a new activity, right? Up to now you know how to write the letter, right? But today we have to learn how to compose the email is there, understand? What kind of thing is mentioned here, you can see here now what it is there. Imagine that Revati's father, here Revati's father is abroad on the business, and she wished to convey what she wished to convey there. She wished to convey the news of her prize winning plans, understand? Draft an email for the above subject. Now here the subject is given there. Here you have to compose one letter is there, but letter should be written in the email format. Now when you are writing email, at that time what we have to do is there, you have to write first from, right? Later you have to make the box in which you can mention your email. You have to mention email is there, understand? In the next line you have to write to, yes, and after to put colon there. Such type of dots are the colon. Make another box. Here you have to mention the email address of the person to whom you want to send, right? So look at now, I am explaining now. First you have to write down from. After from, put your email, because you are composing the mail, so therefore after from semi what is there, colon should be there. Make such type of box. In that box you have to mention the, what you have to mention, your email. Next line, write to colon, then make box, mention the email address of the person who's, to whom you want to send the mail, right? In the third line you have to write down subject. Here subject you can mention there in this way, subject. And after mentioning the subject, what you have to do is that this is subject is in short I'm writing there. Again you have to make the box, and in this box you have to mention the subject of the letter, why you are writing letter in this way. And later, as you already know how to compose the your letter, in the same format you have to write down the remain part, remain message, right? This is called the email composition, understand? Email composition. So I hope you are understanding this one, and you will also complete this one. Okay. In this way you have to compose and you have to send the mail is there. The subject is already given there. You have to write down letter to Revati's father who is abroad due to his business, and she wished to convey her message. What why message? What news she want to convey? She got what was the prize there in that competition. Yes, as she got the prize in that competition, therefore for this purpose she want to compose the mail. So I have given you the instruction regarding composition of mail. I hope you understood and you will complete it. Thank you.